In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export data from Salesforce effectively. Exporting data from Salesforce is an essential skill for managing and analyzing your company's information outside of the platform. So let's dive right in. The first method we'll explore is exporting using reports. Start off by opening your Salesforce and click on the app launcher icon, which you'll find at the top left corner. In the search bar, type reports and select it when it appears. Once you have the reports page open, you can either select an existing report or run a new one that you wish to export. After the report is ready, spot the More Actions drop-down menu located next to the Edit button on the reports toolbar. When you click on this drop-down, a menu will emerge. Select Export from the list of options presented. At this point, you'll need to choose between two export formats, either Formatted Report or Details Only. The choice largely depends on how you wish to present your data. If you desire a visually structured output, the formatted report will work best. For raw data, opt for details only. After choosing the format, you must also decide on the file type you want your report to be in, either XLSX or CSV. CSV is often preferred for its simplicity and compatibility with data processing software. Following your selections, click the Export button and your report will immediately start downloading to your device. Now, let's talk about the second method, which involves using the data export feature in Salesforce. Begin by clicking on the gear icon in the upper right corner of your Salesforce dashboard and select Setup from the menu. Once in the setup area, direct your attention to the left sidebar and type Data Export into the Quick Find box. This will lead you to the Data Export option under the Data menu. Click on it. With the Data Export tool open, you have two choices here: Export Now for an immediate download or Schedule Export to plan the export for a later date. Scheduling can be useful if you wish to run exports during non-peak hours. Once you decide how you want to proceed, you will need to select the objects you wish to export. Objects could be accounts, contacts, leads, and so forth. Picking the right objects is crucial for targeting the specific data set you're interested in analyzing. Finally, click the Start Export button, and Disneyland, your data will be packaged and prepared for you. The export process may take some time depending on the size and complexity of your data, but rest assured Salesforce will notify you once it's complete. And there you have it, two straightforward methods to export data from Salesforce. I hope this tutorial helps you streamline your data management efforts. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on making the most out of your Salesforce experience.